Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Shein application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Shein application on your Android device, firstly open up your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Shein and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Now simply tap on Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Shein application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.